5 months ago, OnePlus partnered with the Genshin Impact to release the Ace Pro Hu Tao Edition. We made an unboxing video at that time and we thought it's quite a good co-branding model. If you're interested on it, you can check out the video link down below. Then 5 months later, they did it again with MiHoYo to release another co-branding phone, the OnePlus Ace 2 Xiangling Edition. Like I said before, the Ace Pro Hu Tao Edition is an adorable work, so I'm pretty anticipated about the successor. Can this Ace 2 Xiangling Edition be loved by gamers again this time? Let's find out. If you purchase the special Ace 2, you will receive a huge and heavy red box. The bottom of the box is a removable tray with a metal carrying handle, which looks like some sort of an ancient Chinese suitcase. Not surprisingly, the design of the box is inspired by Chinese antique stacking lunchbox. The sides also have the pyro element pattern of the game, and the golden handle does make it more like a lunchbox that conforms to the style of Liyue Harbor. If you play the game a lot, you must know that the character Xiangling is a chef, so it makes sense to design a lunchbox for a phone. The magnetic buckle logo in the center of the box is Xiangling's name, Ling. When you open the box, a familiar scene appears. It is a Liyue Harbor, made of several layers of paper like Hu Tao's decorative painting, with the Xiangling and her companion Guoba on either side of Liyue Harbor. So why did the OnePlus choose Xiangling as a game's avatar for the Ace 2? I think it's probably because they are so familiar to each other. Although Xiangling is free to get in the game, she's actually a very powerful sub-DPS, which I also like to play with. I'm sure those of you who have fought in Spiral Abyss should be able to feel how powerful Xiangling is, and Raiden National Team also helped me get 4 stars in Floor 12. While the Ace 2 isn't expensive either as a mid-range model with decent performance, I guess OnePlus tried to remind users with Xiangling that the Ace 2 is equally powerful as the character. The 2 drawers below Liyue Harbor are the main cores inside the lunchbox. In the first drawer, there are some accessories put into the custom manual. The manual printed with a big Guoba head is thick and solid, and you can see Guoba's eyes can change with different angles. Open the manual, you will see the table of content at the first page and some Chinese welcome words at the next page. Move on and you will see the paper card of Xiangling and the Guoba popping up in a fighting posture. The short words on the left are the battle cry of Xiangling in Chinese, which does pull me back into the game. And then there are a few character cards, Xiangling's Mimi stickers, and a lovely Guoba card pin. Next to the manual, there's a refined scroll poster of Xiangling. At the beginning, I just thought it might be some sort of a new recipes created by Xiangling. So that's all the accessories. Well, they look good, but to be honest, the new work is not as surprising as a Hu Tao edition because there's no custom phone case, the pin is not made into a weapon, and no Primogems are given here. Even the poster is printed from the image in the game, while Hu Tao's at least has a special poster made for her by OnePlus. The second drawer is of course the phone and the same accessories as the standard Ace 2, so no need to repeat them. The red leather-like variant is exclusive for the Genshin Impact edition with the stitch design on both sides like Redmi K60. Unfortunately, there's no Genshin Impact element on the back panel, apart from the exclusive color of the back. It looks the same as a standard Ace 2. Now let's boot the phone. Obviously, a customized thin UI is essential. The dynamic wallpaper and the customized icons are the most basic tricks of these co-branded phones. Here we have the despised Redmi 12 Turbo's Harry Potter edition. How can it be made without customized icons? There's a burning effect for the charging animation, and the small chili pepper also appear as you type with the default keyboard. Like the Hu Tao edition, we also have the custom ringtones recorded by Xiangling's Chinese VA in the game. The phone is also powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 and is still no problem to deal with the Spiral Abyss. It can run at full 60 FPS and the temperature is acceptable, but to run Genshin Impact perfectly, I still recommend the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 phones. For more information about the Ace 2, you can check out our Ace 2 full review video. Although it got an upgraded 18GB RAM, there's no perceivable differences from the standard variants since they share almost everything. The Ace Pro Hu Tao Edition is still OnePlus's best work for Genshin gamers. If put them together, the Ace 2 Xiangling Edition may not be as worthy, as picky gamers would want a more thoughtful design, and the others who doesn't play the game probably won't buy a co-branding phone for the 18GB RAM and the red leather-like cover. But I know every character in Genshin Impact has a loyal fan base, so those who especially love Xiangling better ignore my opinion and pay for it. Otherwise, I would recommend the Hu Tao Edition more. So that's it. Hope you liked the video. I'm Will from Gizmo China, and we'll see you next time.